if you are someone whose love language is gift giving, so this video is for you. Okay, so but in general, Rakhi is coming, right? So this video is going to be a Rakhi specific video. So basically, I will let you know today what are the unique gift options you can have to gift either your sister, your brother, or whoever you are tying Rakhi to. Okay, and so we will talk about two three main options, and I'll give you some sub options in all of these categories so that whichever is visible to you, you can try that. Okay, so first of all, we will talk about gifting some kind of experience. Again, that depends what the person you are gifting likes. Okay, so it should be something, if you know them very well, it should be something like what they are already practicing. I mean, it should add on to their life in some way, because I think chocolates, flowers, basic watches, those kind of things are, I think, very regular nowadays. So we will first talk about experiences. Second, we will talk about something materialistic gifting. And the third thing, we will talk about some coupons that also you can give. And I'll give you some examples what kind of coupons you give. Okay, you can give. So let's just talk about first option, which are what kind of experiences. I mean, mostly service based gifting you can give your sister, brother, or whoever you are going to gift this Rakhi. First of all, either you can book some sort of art classes, because there are, if you are living in a tier 1 cities, or if your city is having some kind of online or offline experience services, then you can definitely choose those options. Otherwise, I am giving you some options. First, you can definitely try booking pottery class for both of you, or if you are going for a group, for a group. Okay, so that is, I think, very healing. I went to one recently in Bangalore and in Pottery Town. And once you reach in Pottery Town, there are like, you don't even have to book things online. You can just go there, pay in front and book it, and do that and get your uh, art piece with you. And that is also very cheap. It starts from 250, 200 rupees even. Okay, so if you are into that, you can do it. And the second option could be any resin art classes. I mean, resin is something where you make jewelry and other art pieces. It's like it's a liquid, but that hardens once you start making something with it. This is again an art experience what you can book for you or your sister, if you are, I mean, if these kind of services are available in your city. Other than that, again, book a theater experience. I mean, it could be a storytelling, or it could be a stand-up comedy show, or whatever it is. I have been to a storytelling uh, show recently, Amandeep Singh ka, and it was like the greatest experience. Of spiritual experiences, you can definitely go to yoga center. I mean, you can go to a yoga center where they are practicing yoga, meditation, or they are, also giving you sattvic food. You can try those experiences as well, because here in Bangalore we have Isha Foundation. You can book a trip to there and have the sattvic food and do yoga, meditation, and also spend time in nature with your cousins or your siblings. So that is also a great experience. You can try that as well. Other than that, also you can visit a nursery, or you can give plants. That is also spiritual, right? I mean, obviously. because growing something from scratch is so spiritual. Because recently I also have bought few plants for my home and I am taking care of them, and it is like very healing. So other than that, those are basically art experiences. I mean, there are various art experiences. You basically go and paint some mugs somewhere, mugs, vases, all of that stuff I'm talking about. You can go for hiking with your siblings, or you can go for a road trip, or you can go for shopping. Okay, so try all of these experiences.